Before we build, I'm gonna add also the new splash PNG that I've created. So splash PNG is just another welcoming screen, and it has a logo with the C and the I from Carli, customized ArcoLinux ISO and ArcoLinux project. So that's how we're gonna be greeted, and underneath will be the grub, and we can change and change every time if you want to. It's just an idea. Created the logo with GIMP and Inkscape, right? So that's pushed to the net already. I wanted to go with you as well to the net. So what we've done, we can always follow the pushes to the internet, to the GitHub. You see where we are. And the last one is the push for this splash, this new splash image. But prior to that was the most important one. Well, actually putting Plasma on our system, activating the autologin SDM, making sure we're graphical, making sure SDM is gonna boot, making sure that the live user is created and it has no password. And this is the package is the Lego blocks. If you want to install Cinnamon, you type in Cinnamon there. If you want to have XFCE, you type in XFCE4 and then XFCE4 minus goodies. So stuff like that. You can put anything on your ISO, but it has to be here and everything should fit as well. Okay, we're ready to build, I suppose. So we're gonna put you here, open terminal, put you here, and now everything is set. We have our new image and we have our new packages, and we are going to build you. That's better, like so. And then we wait. Let's pause the video here and then boot up later on. And yes, there we are. We have Carlo 2020, January the 5th, and we're gonna boot it. Super 7 in my case. VirtualBox is booted, Carli 4 is already loaded up, and we just need to click Ctrl F, full screen. And this is the look. So I'm eager to see how it looks on my 1920 on 1080, because this will always look nice on a small VirtualBox. But of course we need to watch on a bigger screen if the logo is not too small, too big. We'll see later. We're booting up. What have we done? We've installed packages for Plasma. We've installed SDM, right? We set SDM, start. We have set autologin for live user, and we've created a live user. What happens? We do boot up in Plasma. And there we go. We have our system up and running. This is our live USB, DVD, whatever you want to call it. And this is Plasma. Plasma is quite complete, so we have icons and everything with it. System settings are here. A lot of things we don't have, of course, so this is very minimal. You saw it's only 4 lines that we've put in our packages list. And this is what we get. Just these icons and just this cursor. So some people often ask, Eric, why is this cursor not working as it should be? You see the difference between this one and this one. There's of course a reason, and all you need to do is know the solution. That's it. It's not a Plasma thing. I think it's more an ArcoLinux thing. It's easily fixed, but that's not important. So the next thing I would like to do is probably gonna have a look at I'm not sure yet, but at some point in time we'll definitely want to boot up Calamares here and install whatever it is we are going to add more, but I don't think that's I'll see what's the next point. Anyway, if you see things, if you are also building ISOs and you see things, Eric, you should do this or should that, improve this or that, there's no manual anywhere. We figured it out while we go. It's around 3 years of building, I think we're at now. Started with Arch Labs, then Arch Merged, then ArcoLinux. So we learn it from the best online, reading GitHub, reading codes and stuff like that. So if you want to help, do please share your knowledge. And the next thing will probably be Calamares and installing our system. So what we can tell you already in advance is that the file manager, and then you can have a look at as well at the run. Take a look at this and see what's all in here. So ArchISO gives you a bunch of stuff. This is what your future system will be. ArchISO, Gauss page, which we just saw a message that is a little bit too low. We've made it bigger on ArcoLinux. So here's your package list. And it's gonna be a little bit different than the one we have created. It has 1039 packages because of this name, these 3-4 names we put on there in the packages list. All right, that's it for me now. Finally, you see something graphical, I think many people will say, and we'll continue our story next month.